So this is where we're at with the, think of it as like a feed list debugger. So this is like my main list from in Feedbase. And you can see that most of the feeds don't have a number here, but some of them do. And the ones that do are ones that are having problems. So one thing we can see clearly is this feed has a blank title and 59 consecutive errors. That's what the number here is. It's not necessarily the only thing that will raise a flag, but right now it's the one thing that I'm sort of working with. And so like here's another one. And I think that, yeah, I don't know what checks means. I have to go look at the server now and figure out what all these things mean, because 123 is just a ridiculously small number. Feedbase has been running for 2 years, so the number of checks should be in the thousands. So I'm not sure what checks actually represents, and I think this is also helping debug the database too. And I know that, I should probably just use River 6 to do that, but I don't want this project to explode. That's the thing I'm trying to avoid. What I want to do is make it useful for managing lists of feeds, and the previous version was not useful for that. And I mean, it was an accomplishment. It was building something in a database, in a SQL database that does stuff with feeds. It was, an important part of my growing process. But anyway, so here's what we got here when you expand. This is number of checks, number of errors. So this thing is doing great. Last time it updated, today, look at how quickly it's read. 200 was the HTTP code, which of course means it worked, right? So that's a good one. Let's see, Seth Godin. Only 2 errors, none consecutive. Had an error on Thursday, and it updated on Monday. It's also pretty reasonably fast. So, okay, I'm sort of getting a picture here. I don't know what's going on with this one. And obviously, since the thing is blank, you need to figure out a way to get it so that you can see where the hell it's going, right? It's not done. This is by no means done, but it's helpful at this point, which is a good thing, right? But it's not complete. It's not useful yet. It's on its way, we think. All right, there you go.